Courtroom full of family members today. Two families hoping for different outcomes in the case of a deadly hit and run involving a repeat offender. Today, a judge ruled not to revoke the bond for 40-year-old Mache Darby. It'll stay at a total $1.5 million. Police say he killed a 23-year-old who was walking in a crosswalk when Darby reportedly hit him with his car in Uptown last December. WBTV's Claire Kopsky was in that courtroom today where the victim's father pleaded with the judge. She breaks down what happened and the judge's decision.
It was a full courtroom this afternoon as both families of the victim and the defendant gathered to show their support. The appearance started with a replay of the events from the morning of December 1st and also the criminal history of the defendant, which includes a deadly hit and run back in 2011. This afternoon, the district attorney outlined the details of this case, explaining that 23-year-old Ryan Zadronsny was in Charlotte visiting with his friends for a Carolina Panthers game. The incident happened when they were walking back from a bar in Uptown around 2 a.m. The DA said when the men got to a cross street and didn't see any cars coming, they started walking across the crosswalk. Once in the crosswalk, the district attorney said 40-year-old Mache Darby was driving 70 miles over the speed limit at 105 miles per hour when he hit Zadronsny with his front right bumper and then kept driving. Charlotte Mecklenburg police say Darby then pulled over a few blocks away and got out to inspect his car. That's when police found him. But then the DA said Darby led them on a chase where he ultimately crashed into another vehicle and was taken to the hospital where he tested positive for THC and had a blood alcohol concentration over the legal limit. Zadronsny's parents and family traveled from New Jersey to be present in the courtroom today. His mother held signs with his photos, and his father spoke on behalf of his grieving family.
Ryan was a kind and gentle soul. Those are the words you will most often hear when people describe him. I can't remember him ever even raising his voice to anyone, even his sisters. He knew it was important in his family and friends. He was always with family and friends. You know, a beautiful son paid the ultimate price with his life.
While neither family wanted to speak to us on camera, Darby's grandmother went up to Zadronsny's parents after the proceedings to offer her condolences. She told me outside of the courtroom that she just didn't want to leave the day without letting them know how sorry she was for the death of their son. There's much more to come on this case. We'll continue to follow it right here on WBTV. For now, at the Mecklenburg County Courthouse, I'm Claire Kopsky, WBTV, on your side.